How's it going, people? As you can hear, it's raining. It's always fucking raining. But the new bar setup has arrived. So we're going to have a look at that. See if we can't get it fitted to the bike. And then next time it's sunny we can ride it and we'll see how it is. I'll see you in a minute. Ta-da! So, just so you know, I went with the bunking riser, thrashing top clamp, and the thrashing mid-bend bars. It's a setup I selected because I didn't want to have to cut around, relocate, do anything with the gauges. And in reality, it saves a lot of money because it's a lot simpler of a setup. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. Let's give it to the people. Give them what they want, and that is they want me to have a T-bar setup for not a lot of money. And who am I to deny you what you want? It's what you want. So let's see if we can't get them fitted and see what they're like. Also, let me know how the audio is and the picture is, because I've changed my setup a little bit. I've got a little, you can see that I've got a little light in my eyes. It's really bright. There is a diffuser, but it's really bright. It's giving me a bit of anxiety. And there is a new mic, so hopefully that's picking up the audio and we can seem like we know what we're doing. But that's enough of that bullshit. Let's get on the bike. I'll tell you what though, it does make a difference. We'll just come back to it. It's definitely blinded me a bit, but this is without the light on, and then we've got this little funky little light. Ooh, I look like I'm on fucking moon. And that's on the lower setting. It goes up and it gets brighter and shit. It's got a magnet on it, and I literally can't see a thing. Got arc eye. It's bright though, isn't it? It's much better. Nice. We like it. Stop fucking around. Let's go to the bike. Well, as right and proper, the only way to fit new bars is to remove the old ones. So we're going to start off with that. We're going to take off the clamshells and controls, and then start undoing everything else and the clocks and see if we can't get her all off. Yeah, I don't know. I've never done one of these, so kind of making it up as I go along. I've been witness to them being done because my dad's got one and we did his bar change many. Oh, that just falls off. Okay, fair enough. Is that just? Oh yeah, it's a bit scary. That just come off? No, that was too. Oh God. Let's see if we've got the correct Torx size to get that off. See if we've got the tools to get the job done. No, not that one. Was it that one? Yes, it's that one. It's skills to pay the bills here, kids. Right, so are we captive? Might be captive. Is there another one of these? Oh, there is. It's all good fun, isn't it? Oh shit. And that's why you put a bloody thingy-majib over your grill. Shit just drops off of these fucking things. That was lucky, wasn't it? No problems. I'm doing this well cack-handed though. All sort of stuff in my hands and that already. Put some stuff in your pocket like a true proper mechanic. Right, that's that. Yeah, captive in there. From front off. Look at that. Grip off. Proper mechanic. Oh, let's get this fucker off. I mean, what I should have done really was watch the YouTube video on how to do this before I did it, but where's the fun in that? I wanted to discover. Oh, it's like, is that it there? Oh, it is. Get in. Oh yeah. One side deflowered. Right, let's do the other side. The only thing that was a little bit concerning is that the clamps were finger tight at best, so shit fell out there. Don't know what that was. But I'm sure if it was detrimental, I'm going to find out. It's going to cost me money. Why aren't you playing ball? What are you stuck on? Oh, you're stuck on the grit. Are you? Surely not. Oh dear. It's melted to the grip. That's a little bit worrying because I don't remember what I put the grip on with. And it shouldn't. Oh my god, it's like super glue. Oh well. Where's the little clippy bit? There it is there. Look. Oh dear. It's annoying because I was planning on keeping those grips. But if it don't work out, it don't work out. There's a little clicker. That's them off. Yeah, we'll get that off. You know what that is. It's moulded. So we are deflowered on both sides, down to just the cables and the throttle by wire. So it's time to take the dash apart, see if we can get these wires out, get these bars off. What's annoying is I'm going to have to take that off, that I've not long stuck on there. But ho hum, shit happens. Oh my god, it's all super tight. I've done too good a job on this stuff. That's annoying. Took my little Harley Davidson panel off with the sticker. For God's sake! Let's see if I can get him back on there. I mean, I can't because it's all bent and that, but I don't want to lose it. Oh, did you hear that hit the wall? Got to stop being lazy. Right, that's all off. Let's see if we can't torque all this off now. That's it. No, it's too big. As you can see, I'm well prepared. All of the right tools for the job. No, that's too small. But if you keep them all in your pockets, one of them will be right. Maybe. No. This isn't. Yes! By way of the Jedi, I found the correct torques, which is, I'll tell you in a minute, T 25. I knew that. You knew that. We knew that, didn't we? We all knew it was a 25. Easy. Or not. Few plugs to unplug. There we are. What I am going to do is quickly put those back in there because I will fucking lose them. I'm doing quite good at the minute. But I'm guaranteed to lose some of. Right. Unplug the thingy-majig. Fucking screwdriver to unplug every bastard clip on this fucking thing. Right. Shit. I mean, I'm not doing myself any favours by doing it all on one side of the bike, because my brother's bike is what the camera stood on, and honestly can't get around that side, too flat, but it's okay. That is good. That means I can survive without food longer than everybody else. That's that and that. Absolute sons of bitches. I'll got it off. Nothing broke. Motorcycle. Let's whip these bloody bars off. I'm going to hazard a guess that what I need to do now is unplug all this internal wiring so I can drag it through the bars. It seems to be a lot, doesn't it? But I don't make the rules. You can't see shit, all you can see is my back. But just believe me, I'm struggling. More screwdriver jobs, hold down, hold tight. There it is. So I've got those all undone. I think all that's left to do really is undo the bars and remove them from the motorbike. Hush. This. Oh yeah. Cranked on there. Go on, me old son. This mechanic shit, piece of piss. Easy job now, star. My only worry is that the bars are going to fall down there. I need a tank and I haven't got me protection. There we are, I'm protected. All will be fine thanks to the S&S hoodie. Oh, did you see him start to move there? Did you see my bumhole start to panic? Because it did. This is like giant 1,000-pound Jenga. No. Give me back. What are you doing? What are you doing? Got it, don't worry. Don't worry people, got it. Fixed it, sorted it. It's because there was a sticker. God damn it. Right. The old handlebars are off. Let's take the wiring out. So the bars are off. And I'm assuming I'll just have to sort of pull the wires through to get them out, but who knows what side goes where. Let's get me trusty little knife and get rid of this zip tie, see if it makes the situation any clearer, I don't know. Oh, it's quite a thick zip tie. There we go. currently got motorbike bits strewn all over the garage, so it's probably, I mean, it's probably not the one, but we'll see. So that side is definitely there. Let's see if we can't shimmy him out of there. You reckon that's the best way? Coming up? Oh yeah, look. It's on the way. Oh no, is it on the way? Oh, it's stuck. I see. One. That feels a bit tight and a bit scary. They're only very thin wires. But it's coming. It's coming. Just got to give a bit of love, a bit of lube. I didn't lube them actually. Probably should have lubed them. Rush! Rush! Okie dokie. New bars are set up, internally wired. I didn't film it because it was just a lot of effing and jeffing. Throttle bar wire is on, so all it remains to do is get the old grip off, or the non-throttle grip off the old bars. Put them on that one, put the clamshells back on, loosely, roughly, all wired in, and then get these bad boys on the bike. So that's what we shall do. Back. So after a brief intermission, turns out the garage has become carnage. I'll show you in a minute. It's just stuff everywhere. But it's time to crack on and get these bars fitted to the bike. So we're now about to do what I assume is probably going to be the hardest part of the job. Something I've definitely never done before. So it looks like it's going to be tricky, and I'll show you what I mean. So now I have to remove this lower clamp from the triple tree, and as you can see, there's not a great deal of room. Once again protected by the S&S hoodie. Just for those numbering, that's just hand marks. But when I dropped that clamp yesterday, there was no damage. It was just it sounded a lot worse than it was. That's not damage, it's just fluff. It's all just fluff. But yeah, let's stop delaying the inevitable. Let's do the difficult bit. Right, I'm not going to lie to you. That was a fucking pain in the ass. Getting the riser bolts out, getting the old lower clamp from the riser. But, alas, we are finger tight. We're getting there, people. So, ignore what I said last night about this mechanic shit being a piece of piss. It's not. I was sleep deprived, and it's much harder than it looks. As you can tell, I've got a sweat on just from rolling about on the floor. So, fair play to you mechanics. Fucking bullshit. Come on, let's crack on. Small evening update. Clocks are back in. Everything's back on. The risers are clamped down, which, oh, this little light shit, it just keeps turning itself off. Keeps getting too hot. What a crap. It's all back together, barring the clamshells, grips, whatnot. I've got to stick me little twiddler on. But I tell you what, that was hard work. Don't fancy doing that again. So, even if I don't like them, these are staying for a little while, because I ain't fucking around doing that again. I'll see you tomorrow. See the sweat? When I say it was hard work, I wasn't fucking around. It was proper hard work. And that's it. I'm not doing any more today. I'll finish them tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Day 3 update. I've now been out in the garage for a little while. We've got one side on. I just had the absolute fight of my life getting the grip off of that side. It had managed to weld itself to the old bar, but it's off. So we've got this clamshell and everything to put back on. But look how good that looks. Obviously the bike's still filth. Everything's on, everything's tight, the brakes and everything, all the electronics work on this side. So now it's just time to wire that side up, make sure everything's snug down, and we can have a look. We'll see how it looks. If you're going to do this swap, give yourself plenty of time. I could have done it in one, but I've had other stuff to do. But it's not as quick as I thought it'd be. I thought by not having to cut all of the plastics and all that sort of shit, I'd get away with the easiness. But actually getting those original riser bolts out was work, more work than I care for. We saw last night sweating, day before sweating. So we're nearly there. So let's get it all buttoned up and we can have a look. Right then, bars are on, everything's snugged down. I just need to glue the grip on the non-throttle side because it was up to get off. But once I got it off, obviously I had to use all of the liquids, the WD-40, the brake clean, all of it, where it fused itself to the bar. So it's now very slippery inside and it's not staying on of its own free will. So we shall force it to stay on because quite frankly I haven't got any other grips. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to tidy the garage because I'll spin you around in a sec and just I've tidied a little bit, not a lot, but the garage is still very much carnage, so I need to do that, and then I'll roll it outside if it stops raining for long enough and we can have a proper look in the daylight. But yeah, that was 3 separate days of doing the bar build without a single bit of cutting. Part of me wishes I'd just cut it, but I did save money, so can't complain too loudly. Let me tidy up. I'll show you this garage. Let me tidy up, and I'll show you the finished result. Nice. Job, bars fitted, everything works, everything's back on, everything's tight. So, my overall thoughts, not a bad job if you've got time to do it. Bits of it are tricky, fiddly, because unless you want to take off the whole inner and outer fairing, there's definitely a bit of garage yoga to do, a bit of rolling around, a bit of sweating, a bit of being in funny positions, but what can you do when you've got limited tools, limited space, and stubborn determination? You'll get it done. Really like the way the new setup looks. I haven't seen that setup in the UK before. There might be somebody with it, but I haven't seen it. The only things I'd seen was a couple of bits online, and again, not even much of it really. So really happy with the way it's turned out, the way it looks. I haven't been out on a ride yet because it's fucking England and still raining, and I refuse to keep cleaning the fucking bike. But sitting on it feels comfortable, feels planted, feels more secure. It's about an inch shorter rise than I had on there before with the apes, and it's definitely brought them from outside to more of an inside grip, which just feels a little bit more sturdy. I think it will suit my style of riding a little bit more. So overall, happy chappy. I'll let you know when I go out to ride it. We'll give you an update on it. Yeah, done. Happy. That's it. But I am going to show you a new little project I've got. You probably won't care because it's not Harley Davidson or TubbyGlide related. But I'm a little bit excited. I'll show you a quick glimpse of it and then we'll save it properly for another day. Here it is. This is the next project. Ford F-150 Gen 10 4.6 V8. What an absolute ridiculous car to have in the UK. But why not? And that's it. Awesome. Thank you for watching, as always. Like and subscribe. Share if you want. If somebody else might find it interesting. I doubt it. I was just waffling on. And I'm aware it's a long video. I know. But again, thanks for joining. And I'll see you soon. Be good, be safe.